Hey guys, here's our fight choreography tutorial on all the double-bladed sections between Obi-Wan and Darth Maul in Star Wars The Phantom Menace. If you haven't seen it, we did a full reenactment and extended version. And if you're new here, this is Mike Starwalker. We reenact fights, make our own choreographies and tutorials. So for more content like this, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Before we get started, if you haven't seen it, make sure to watch our basics video first so you're familiar with the number system I'm referring to. In addition to that, we also have a basic staff tutorial, so if you're new to staff and you're learning the Darth Maul side, I'd recommend you watch that as well. Before we get started, I wanted to talk about this. You may have noticed in our reenactment we've added a few hits that aren't in the movie, and that's because for whatever reason the flashes and sound effects didn't make it into the final cut of the movie. But here you can see them practicing this same exact section with those added hits. So grab your lightsaber and let's get started with the Obi-Wan side. So you're going to start off attacking a 1, 4, 2, 3, 4. Now your blade's going to get parried up, block a 1, then duck, block another 1 behind your back, block a 2 in front, push the blade down, attack a 1, attack a 4, block an 8, block a 2, block a 3, duck, block a 1, block a 6, block a 5, and then parry that out and spin on your right leg and flourish out. One more time for the flow. So you're going to start attacking 1, 4, 2, 3, 4. It gets parried up, block 1, duck, block 1, block 2, push down. Attack 1, attack 4, block 8, block 2, block 3, duck, block 1, block 6, block 5, parry out, and spin. So your partner's going to start out flourishing. You're going to block a 2, a 3, and you're going to jump, block a 1, push down, block an 8, attack an 8, block a 3, block a 4, block 1 behind your back, block 2, push down, attack 1, parry a 3, 7 to break the hilt, and kick. One more time for the flow. Partner is going to flourish in, block 2, block 3, jump, block 1, push down, block 8, attack 8, block 3, block 4, block 1, block 2, push down, attack 1, parry 4, attack 7, break the hilt, and kick. The Maul side. Starting out, make sure you're holding your staff with your palms facing down. So start out blocking a 1 with the left, 4 with the right, 2 with the left, 3 with the right, spin to your left, then block the 4 with your left, parry this up, attack a 1 with your right, attack a 2 with your left, miss, and half turn to your right. In that position, attack a 1 with your left, then half turn to your right again and attack a 2 with your right. This is going to get pushed down, then block a 1 with your left, spin to your left, block a 4 with your left, attack an 8 with your right, attack a 2 with your left, attack a 3 with your right, attack a 2 that misses and half turn to your right again, attack a 1 in this back facing position with your left, twist to your right and attack a 6 with your right, spin to your left, attack a 5 with your left, and it gets parried out into a flourish. Once again for the flow. So block 1, 4, 2, 3, spin 4, parry up, attack 1, miss 2, attack 1, attack 2, parry down, block 1, block 4, attack 8, 2, 3, miss 2, attack 1, 6, 5, and it gets parried out. So you're going to start out flourishing, spin to your right and attack a 2 with your right, half turn to your left and attack a 3 with your left, then spin to your right and leg sweep with both blades, attack a 1 with your left, it gets pushed down, attack an 8 with your right, block an 8 with your left, attack a 3 with your right, attack a 4 with your left. This grazes through, so you can attack a 1 with your left facing back, half turn to your right and attack a 2 with your right. This gets pushed down. Block a 1 with your right, spin to your left, attack a 3 with your left. It gets parried. 7 breaks your hilt and you get kicked. One more time for the flow, a little faster. So start out flourishing, spin, attack 2, attack 3, leg sweep both blades, attack 1, gets parried down, attack 8, block 8, attack 3, attack 4, attack 1, attack 2, gets pushed down, block 1, attack 3, 7 breaks your hilt, and you get kicked. Here's our reenactment if you want to check it out, and we're going to have part 2 to this tutorial coming next week. If you found this tutorial helpful and you like our content, make sure to hit that like button. Don't forget to tag us on TikTok and IG if you're using our tutorials. We love to see what you guys are doing. I hope you guys have a great day lightsaber fighting, and until next time, may the Force be with you.